So last week, I surprised my wife with an espresso machine. Espresso machine. So last week, I surprised my wife with an espresso machine. So it was supposed to be a Christmas gift. Kaya lang, siyempre, low EQ siya. Gusto niya buksan. So, ayan, buksan na namin yung espresso machine. So for this video, we will show you how to use it. Tara. So these are the contents of the box. So, sige, lang tayo. Okay. So first we have the espresso machine. So ganda niya, very elegant black. Okay. Now inside the espresso machine, we have the removable water tank. I think this is around 1 liter, 1 to 1.5 liters. Alright. And then we also have additional coffee filters. This one is for single shot. And then the other one is for double shot. Right. Now aside from that, we also have a coffee filter holder. Meron na siyang sariling coffee filter here. Okay. Okay, ginamit na siya kanina. And we also have a measuring scoop na may kasamang coffee tanker. Okay. So ngayon, gagawa tayo ng coffee, ay gagawa tayo ng espresso. Okay, so before we start our espresso, kanina bumili kami ng breakfast blend medium roast sa Starbucks. So we had it grinded for free of charge. And then we also got, ito last week pa to, we also have a caramel flavored syrup. Okay? So hindi siya sponsored ng Starbucks, pero pikin naman. Okay? Okay, sige, let's start making the espresso. So first, let's get the coffee. Okay, lock it. Okay, so let's use the tawag ito ulit, coffee scoop. Okay. Yan. Okay. Tapos ilalagay natin siya dito sa coffee filter holder. And then we'll use the thumper to flatten the coffee, the grounds. Okay. Once it's really flattened already, gagawin natin, ilalagay natin siya dito sa, kung ano man tawag dito, sa espresso machine. Then, i-twist it and lock. Okay? So ngayon, naka-turn off pa siya kasi wala pa siyang tubig. So just to show you gaano siya kabilis uminit, kunin natin to. Okay? Then ito, galing itong ref itong tubig na to. Ilagay tayo ng konting tubig.
Okay na.
Okay. Tama na daw. Tama na direct. And then let's put it here. Okay. And then merong switch dito. Hindi, okay na. Susunod ka pa. Okay. Switch lang, hindi mo alam. Sige, okay. Okay. So as you can see, red na siya. Nag-isip pa tuloy anong kulay. Red. So red na siya. So we'll just wait for it to turn green. Kasi once na green siya, ibig sabihin mainit na yung tubig. Right? So ganun siya kabilis. So maghihintay lang tayo ng mga siguro I think 1 or 2 minutes. Okay? So red pa rin siya. Maya-maya mag-green na rin siya. Kasi medyo marami-rami tayong tubig na linagay. So just wait for probably 1 or 2 minutes. So while we're waiting, lagyan na natin itong ating espresso mug. Okay, ayun. Nag-green na siya. Next, what we'll do is we'll just switch this over to this one. Okay? Tingnan nyo maigi ha. Okay, sorry. Ganito pala to. Switch to the right. Okay? Ayan. So ngayon, nag-grind na siya. Ay, lalabas na siya. If you look at it, ayan. Ngayon hindi siya automatic, so you have to turn it off kung okay ka na with the amount. Okay. And then, okay na ba yan? Okay, then let's stop. Tapang. Siyempre, ang tapang ng espresso, di ba? So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, we're gonna put milk dun sa espresso. Okay? So, for that, gagawin natin, kuha tayo ng milk. Ito. Meron tayong milk na naka-ready. Right? And then, we'll use this, what do you call this?
Milk pot.
Ano?
Milk pot.
Milk pot. Okay, then we're gonna put milk here. Siguro mga around 1/3 lang. Ito pa. Okay. Milk pot. Ayan. Habang sa dodo ng kahoy. Okay. So yan. Okay na yan. And then, okay. We're gonna put it here. Okay. And then, we're gonna go over to the milk steamer, this one. By the way, prior to this, ang ginawa kasi namin, nilabas muna namin yung tubig, okay? Using this process, pero puro natin siya mamaya. So ngayon, ang gawin natin, i-steam natin yung milk. So lalagay lang natin siya dyan. And then, meron tayong nozzle dito. We're just gonna pull it or push it down, okay? Yan. Kaya nakikita ko. Parang Starbucks lang, di ba? Okay. So, kayo, kung gusto nyo, iba kasi gusto frothy, so medyo mas tatagalan yun, di ba? Yung iba kasi gusto niya basta steamed lang, okay. So, it will take time, siguro around 30 seconds. Okay. Right. Now, since meron na tayong steamed milk, ang next na gagawin natin. So, ito, steam na yung milk natin. Bukali. Yan. Ulit na. So, what you'll do here is you get the espresso you made earlier. Okay. Then, we'll pour this in the coffee mug. Oops, natapon pa konti. Alright. Okay. And then, pour in the milk. Yan. Okay. Tapos, to make it a little more sweeter, lagyan natin ng caramel syrup. Yan. So, medyo napadami, pero okay na yan. Okay, so lagyan na natin yung syrup and then let's just mix it a little. Alright, then let's try this. Yan, hindi na matapang. Malambing na, masarap. Okay, so I hope you learned a lot here kasi ako, kanina ko lang siya natutunan, tinuruan ako ng wife ko na ayaw magpakita sa camera. So please excuse me kung medyo baguhan yung gawa ko ng coffee or ng espresso. But I hope we're done creating the coffee. Yung next question natin dito ngayon is it really worth it? Right? Ano muna tayo? So, is it really worth it? I bought this espresso machine sa SM at around 13,000 pesos. Okay? Now, is it worth it? Sa akin siguro, there are some pros na masasabi ko on it. First is, you get to have that coffee shop experience right at the comfort of your own home. Diba? Okay? Next, it would only take you around 2 to 3 minutes to create your own coffee or your cappuccino or even your espresso. Kita niyo man, yung buong proseso, kahit medyo baguhan ako, mabilis ko lang siya nagawa. Right? And third, siguro I would say it is very cost efficient. So, let's do the math. Let's just say ang isang espresso or isang coffee is around 100 pesos. Right? Kung coffee drinker ka or you drink coffee daily, that's 700 pesos a month, a week. Times 4, 2,800. So sa 2,800, i-times natin to around 5 or 6. So around nasa ano na siya, magkano na ba yun? Wala na ako eh. around 14, 13, basta malaki. So, ang point ko, within 5 to 6 months, depende how frequent you are in drinking coffee, masusulit nyo na itong Delonghi coffee maker. Okay? So, ayun. So, I would say it is definitely worth it. Okay. Actually, fourth reason kaya it's worth it, kung makita nyo lang yung reaction ng misis ko nung makita. Kung makita sa kanya, lang worth it. Okay? So yun, anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay? If you have any comments or suggestions or reactions, just feel free to put it in the comment box and I'll gladly respond to it. Okay? But don't forget to hit like and subscribe and hit the bell notification. 65 pa lang po yung subscribers ko, so please, nagdagan nyo naman. Okay? So, see you in my next video. Bye-bye!